Here's another outstanding program in Wicomico County Public Schools.
Yeah, we keep the soft copies, and then the hardprint copies, I guess we're going to give to other libraries, children libraries, so they can read it. When the teacher told me that we had an opportunity to write for kids and to express our ideas in writing, I thought that was a really cool idea to just break down and see pictures and write down everything a creative way for little children to see.
Step Up is an after-school program that has been funded and granted by outside agencies. And what happens is at 3 o'clock each day, the students will come and work on academic aspects of their high school career. So some come and work on homework, others get tutoring, others do bridge project works at Mentum and credit recovery.
Like they're helping me with my homework, like they explain to me so I can understand it.
What we're doing is giving them a place to be that's safe for 2 hours after school, 4 days a week. We work one-on-one with them. Sometimes we have little small groups if they're all in the same class, and they come to us with things that go beyond to school, like college applications, FAFSA, all those things we have to do.
When I have something I can't do, like they tell me how to do it, and I really like that because sometimes if I don't know how to do my work, when I call them, they call me and help me, and it's very cool.
It's the best thing I've ever done in my entire 10 years of teaching. The students come in and they're happy and they want to be here and they're learning and they gain skills for college and career by staying after and getting the help that they need to be successful.
101, see?
I enjoy just getting to hang out with kids in a non-academic way, but still challenge their thinking, actually do a program with them where we play logic games, games that require a little bit of thinking. So I think that they enjoy it, or else I don't think they would keep coming back.
Once the academic portion of Step Up is finished, they sign up for what we call enrichment. During that time from 4 to 5, the students are exposed to various activities from art, cooking, fashion design, drumming.
So like the extra activities outside, because I mean, who doesn't like doing other stuff than sitting at home?
The students are very appreciative of it, especially when we stop to help them, because there might be an idea that they're not understanding, so we tutor them through it. And when they finally grasp the concept, they do appreciate it. And they do appreciate getting that chance to have that second opportunity to achieve the goals that they have for themselves.
Ms. Hatzler? Thank you so much.
Students that come to Step Up, their GPA increases, their test scores increase, and overall they seem to do better and have less disciplinary issues.
It helps me with my work and my schoolwork. It helps me get my grades up.
The really wonderful job that she did with service learning hours.